guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have a synthetic headband wig for you guys. I haven't done a synthetic headband wig for you guys in years. It's been a long time, but I've been wanting one, something more convenient that has the style already and I can just plop on. So if you're interested in hearing more about this wig, then just keep on watching. 아직도 난 모르겠어 널 바라봐도 just caught in your love 많이도 난 널 좋아했나 봐 힘들어 보여 옆에서 말했어 한순간이었지. Okay, so I was in the market for a synthetic headband wig because I like easy wigs on a daily basis. Sometimes I'll pop out and do a lace wig. I'll do them on camera and stuff like for reviews, but on a daily basis for the most part I prefer half wigs, headband wigs, because they're easy and I'm very active these days, so I prefer something easy. So today we are going to visit my brother and my sister-in-law, and so I wanted something easy that wouldn't take up much time. I went ahead and did my makeup off camera. This video probably won't be long because it's not much to it, but this is so pretty. It reminds me of XTREME from back in the day. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of dry shampoo. I feel like it's gonna look even more realistic the more I wear it, but I just wanna knock down any artificial shine. And you can use any dry shampoo. This one is from OGX that I'm using. And I'm creating some distance because if you get too close on it, it can start to look ashy. So what I'm going to do first is my edges, and then I'm going to put the wig on and decide what kind of headband I'm going to use, because it comes with a headband, but I also want to add a little flair to it. So I'm going to brush my natural hair. So what I do is I start with my clear gel. This is the XTREME WETLINE gel. And I put that on my edges to kind of map out how I want them to flow. And then I lock it in with an edge control. So now I'm going to brush the front up, because I don't usually do baby hairs at the front of my hairline. I've tried to do that before, but it just doesn't really work with my hairline for some reason. And then I'm gonna, but I do it on the sides though. So for edge control, I'm going to use the edge fixer here. This is in the strawberry acai scent. So this is what the edge control looks like. I have all the products I'm using on my Amazon storefront for you guys, and I'm pretty sure this wig was only $30. And I have another one I'll show you guys in a different video. I love synthetic wigs because you don't have to style them as far as like curling it, because it comes curled, or you know, I feel like that's why it's so convenient. So I have my wig cap. I don't need my hair out. I have my hair out because I did a half wig recently. So I'm just going to put this on, and I'm going to wear the comb in the front. But like over time, I wouldn't recommend doing that because you can thin your edges out. Because this structure is different than most headband wigs that I've tried before. All right, let's see what we got here. Well, I don't have it secured. Now, this is what it looks like here. And it does have kind of a shine to it. So I've already I think it'll look better as it ages. But now I have a little gray cast to it, so I'm going to wipe it out a little bit. And you could separate the curls out. I'm not going to do it too much because I actually like the ringlets at the bottom. I think that's really cute. This is super cute. Now I'm going to see which headband I want to put over it. I bought some headbands a couple months ago from the Wrap Life. These braided ones. But I have a ton of headbands from like Amazon. I think this one is from the Wrap Life as well. This might make me change my shirt. Let me see how this looks. This feels like it would be good for the gym. I wish it had a drawstring to adjust it to my head because it does feel like a little bit big. So I'm gonna bobby pin the back a little bit. Let's see how this looks. I think that's really pretty, but I feel like it's too, it's kind of too dressy for the vibes today. I'm going to try on a few just to see. This one is velvet, which I guess could lean dressy, but I want to try it. That's really cute. I like that. I want it over my ear. What do I want to do? I think I'm going to take a little bit of these curls out just so it looks more realistic and not so perfect. Yeah, I like the velvet headband. I'm pretty sure it's probably from Amazon. Bittersweet to me now, got me going crazy. Someone just tell me why I do shit. 내게서 더 멀어지지 마, baby you. 오직 너만 baby you. 사랑이 없어도 난 네 곁에 있고 싶어 난 아주 잠시만. Now I know I have on a black shirt, but hopefully you guys can see like where it falls on me. This is I think the listing said it was 20 inches. Yeah, it's 20 inches, and I'm 6 feet tall, and you guys already saw what it looks like in a 360. Yeah, but this is super cute and convenient, and I think it's gonna look better as it ages. I don't have any shedding or tangling with this wig, but this is not the kind of wig I would run my hands through, just like the roots of it to kind of fluff it out. But overall, I think this is beautiful, and this is my first time wearing it, but I feel like I'm probably gonna wear it a lot because it's easy and it's cute. Easy and cute. That's all I need right now. So yeah, if you are interested in this wig, you can head over to my Amazon storefront, or I'll have it linked down below for you guys. And any products that I used to get this wig together, which was not very much, just edge control, edge brush, and that's pretty much it. But highly recommend it for people who want something convenient. You're not into lace, you just want something cute and easy. This is a great option, and it's something that you can wear every day, but also like to the gym, and just put it in a ponytail if you wanted to. So I like it so far, and I have another one that I'll show you guys in a different video. Look out for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Also, an update from a week of wearing this wig a lot. I really do love this wig, but I will say, just like naturally, this looks like a wig that you would wear for fall, winter, because it is so thick. And I do agree that that's, you know, what this wig is. But because this wig is so thick and long, wearing it with scarves and bubble coats and all that kind of stuff can be a little bit bulky. So I actually would wear this with like maxi dresses and summer clothes and stuff. So I plan to wear this in the, you know, spring and summer as well. I have gotten some tangling at the nape because of like the scarves and stuff that I've been wearing. So keep that in mind. I've had to cut out a tangled matted area around the nape. It wasn't big, but I can see that happening a lot during the winter time with taking on, you know, different layers and stuff. So keep that in mind. But I do think this is a great buy. I do wish that it had a drawstring to make it more adjustable, and it doesn't come with an adjustable elastic band or, you know, even the straps in the back. It doesn't come with that. But overall, I do like this wig, and I have been wearing it a lot, and I'm looking for other synthetic half wigs on Amazon to be in my arsenal. I have another one I'm going to show you guys. It's more of a body wave texture, so that's coming up for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.